Previously, we talked about how we added a series of tools to assist you with the geometry node editor when it comes to scrolling through nodes. However, this time we're actually going to jump over to shading. And I just want to show that there's now a Q menu for shading where cycle node is there, our good friend. Let's shift click cycle node and we can just begin rolling through some nodes to cycle where we can bring in our mix shader. Let's also begin just kind of giving this some room. Let's jump off of this and we could press F in order to flip back to the other side. For our input of the factor, we could just press S and search, type in wire to find wireframe, and that will get us started there. Let's go ahead and do a shift jump off again. We could press F to flip to the other side. We can shift scroll in order to locate what we're going for, which is transparent. After clicking, we now have that as our secondary input. Let's go ahead and make the connection, and under our material settings, we just want to make sure that our blend mode is set to alpha blend, and we also want to enable screen space refraction, so that way things just display correctly. But just like that, we can now use cycle node inside of the geometry node editor, depending on the results that we're going for. For this, we may want to actually switch our output so that way it displays correctly. It was looking a little odd there. Now it's actually looking the way that we intended it.